Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbuds available on Android devices? So firstly, I open Play Store to check is there some application, and I can't find application for these earbuds. Also I'm check official website, and I also can't find this model. So there is one similar model, I guess this one, yeah, but it said that it's another model here, so it's like 19 XD19, and we have XH09, 9, and yeah, there's a different model. So my short answer is no, the application not available on Android devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.